To track your spending with Mywisely, start by logging into your account through the mobile app or website. Once you are logged in, you will see an overview of your account balance and recent transactions. The Mywisely app allows you to categorize your transactions, making it easier to track your spending. You can categorize transactions into groups such as food, entertainment, and transportation. This feature helps you identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. To categorize a transaction, simply select the transaction and choose the appropriate category from the list. You can also add a note to the transaction to provide more context. Mywisely also provides a spending summary feature, which gives you a breakdown of your spending over a certain period of time. This feature helps you track your spending habits and identify areas where you can make adjustments to stay within your budget. In addition to categorizing transactions and viewing spending summaries, Mywisely also allows you to set budget goals. You can set a budget for a specific category or for your overall account. This feature helps you stay on track and ensures that you are not overspending. To set a budget goal, select the category or account you want to set a budget for and enter the desired budget amount. Mywisely will then track your spending and alert you when you are getting close to your budget limit. By following these steps and using the features provided by Mywisely, you can effectively track your spending and stay on top of your finances. Remember to regularly review your account activity and make adjustments as needed to ensure you are meeting your financial goals. Tracking your spending with Mywisely is a simple and effective way to manage your finances and achieve financial stability. By taking control of your spending, you can make informed decisions about your money and achieve a more secure financial future.